The Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering offers 3 bachelor degrees in engineering programs. They are Computer Engineering, Electrical Engineering, and Electronic Engineering. Each program has its own characteristics, focusing on different areas of study. Let's have a look at the areas that we cover.
The department provides us with abundant information channels about global student competition and career pathways. After discovering those resources, I took part in Schneider Electric's Go Green in the City competition, reaching second runner-up in the Greater China region, leading to an opportunity to work as a summer intern at Schneider Electric's Shanghai R&D Center.
I'm Arthur. It is a wonderful learning experience here in the EEE department, and it certainly helps in my journey to become a professional engineer. I've taken courses about power distribution, electric machines, power electronics, railway systems, artificial intelligence, and engineering management offered by the EEE department, which are all highly related to my work and let me understand theories and working principles behind many engineering applications in the railway industry. In addition to engineering knowledge, labs and projects have equipped me with technical skills by providing me hands-on experience in building and testing hardware and software. This is important for me as I have to often perform testing on railway equipment. Also, my communication skills have been enhanced. This makes me confident and comfortable in collaborating with my colleagues and partners in my work.
The department has a very close connection with the engineering industry and professional institutions. With the long-established history of the Hong Kong U EEE, we have a really strong alumni network in the engineering industry of Hong Kong. Many of them are holding very senior positions in the government, utility companies, world-leading consultancy firms, and construction companies. Many alumni, just like me, often come back to the campus and share our experience with the students. Not just about what's happening in the engineering society that an engineering student must need to know, but we share very practical experience that help them doing well with the future career. We conduct mock interview with final year students. We share interview tips and preparation experience to let them know how they should perform in the job hunting to make sure they will be the top candidates in every job interview. And career talks as well. Students will be benefited by knowing the career options available for them and the step-by-step path to become a successful engineer. Hong Kong U EEE is a choice that you won't regret.